All right, YouTubers, motorcycle enthusiasts, I'm finally ready to finish up this series on ABS plastic welding slash repairs. These are the materials I used. Basically, some ABS cement, some acetone, ABS sheets that I got on Amazon, and then a slurry that I made. ABS slurry. And it says it right there. ABS polymer plus the, which is the cement. Oh no, ABS polymer is pieces of the ABS sheet. And then acetone, and some acetone mixed in. And I just kind of did it on the fly. I just grabbed a few sheets and threw some acetone in there, didn't measure it. It seemed to work pretty good. This is more or less the area that I needed to repair. These rear body panels were broken. I overstressed, put too much stress on these tabs. These are new, or sort of new. They're the ones that I made because the old ones were broken. And then I repaired this one. And I was hoping to repair this piece, but as you can see, it's very complicated. So between this and this, I decided to get a new one rather than messing around with that, especially because of these little tabs. Those little suckers. Look at how complicated they are, with little bosses in there. Little, bosses, ribs. Those little ribs to strengthen it and the shape. And then this piece, this section up here with the angles, all of the angles. Rather than trying to recreate that from scratch, not knowing how it looks, or I just decided to get a new one. Got it for about 60 bucks. I tried to get a used one, but I wasn't able to find a part online, an older one to get. And I wanted to finish this job this year so I could ride this year, maybe even do some track days. So this is the old part. This is the new one. Took a couple of months to get that. I think the reason it took so long is because it's a 2013. Oh man, I think